Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrocchi. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Tuesday evening. It is cold and quiet. Clouds are on the increase. Yeah, you've heard the forecast by now. A little snow on the way for Wednesday. We don't have, by no means do we have a big snowstorm on the way, but some minor accumulations on Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. So we're quiet, we're dry for now, and that dry weather will extend into the morning commute as well. So our threat tracker overnight remains low. We'll bump it up to yellow on Wednesday. The morning looks dry, a little light mixed of very light rain, light snow showers during the afternoon, but then switching over to light snow after sunset and into Wednesday night. Minor accumulations, especially away from the coastline. And we'll talk about those numbers in just a second. Let's first give you the timing. Again, we're going to stay dry overnight. The morning commute looks fine. Maybe some flurries late in the morning, just kind of cloudy, cold, and dry. Even during the afternoon, I'm not anticipating any accumulating snow during the daylight hours. It's just a very light mixture of like flurries and sprinkles, that kind of a deal during the afternoon. And once we get towards sunset, the air gets colder. We'll get into several hours of some light snow. Generally, this is going to be kind of a coating to 1 inch of snow, especially inland, especially away from the coastline. The best chance for picking up perhaps up to 1 inch of snow would be in the northern part of the state. And with that, we're going to show you that in more detail graphically in just a second, so hold on. Let's, where are we headed next? All right, satellite and radar composite. This is as of about 9:45 in the evening. Clouds are on the increase, and we're tracking a disturbance off to our west. And what will happen is eventually we're going to get an area of low pressure developing along the mid-Atlantic, and this will track north and east. Now, the reason why we don't anticipate like a big snowstorm is for a couple of reasons. One, this storm system may be too far to the south, and it's moving too quickly. In fact, by midnight tomorrow night, things are actually drying out. So it's a quick hitter, and it's just far enough to the south so that we get grazed with some light snow. All right, let's step you through the forecast. Overnight, we'll take you into Wednesday morning. And here we are. It's dry for the morning commute, starting off in the low to mid-30s. During the afternoon, some very either light snow showers, flurries, and drizzle, but nothing really heavy. And take note of the temperatures. I mean, it's well above freezing. So if there were any snow showers, nothing's really sticking to the ground. Take you into Wednesday evening, the evening commute. I don't see too much of an issue, but watch the area of blue start to expand Wednesday evening around 8, 9, 10 o'clock. This will be several hours of light to perhaps even moderate snow, 9, 10, 11 o'clock in the evening. And then as we get closer to midnight, this will be pulling away. So based on that, here's your forecast for tomorrow morning. Out the door, we are dry, cloudy, and cold. Maybe a few flurries later in the morning. And then during the afternoon, looking at just a very light mixture of both flurries and some drizzle, nothing more than that. Temperatures in the upper 30s at 1 o'clock. And then it's a steadier, lighter snow by Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. And it's during this time period, some of our northern suburbs, some of the pavement may get slippery here. So drive with a little bit of caution. This is by no means a big blockbuster snowstorm. Generally a coating to 1 inch of snow. Some of our computer models actually have the northwest corner of the state. A couple of spots up in here could actually pick up 2 inches. But generally we're going with a coating to 1 inch. Little to nothing along the south shore. Providence points south, generally a coating, meaning under 1 inch. Northern part of the state up to 1 inch. But again, some of our new data coming in suggesting there may be a few isolated 2 inch amounts. Northeast Connecticut, Foster, Gloucester, kind of a Burrillville area. But again, that's not until Wednesday night. So yeah, a little taste of winter on the way for Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. Of course, new data is always coming in, and you do want to check in with Michelle, meteorologist Michelle Muscatello, early in the morning, starting on 12 News at 4:30. Check out our 10 o'clock newscast, which starts shortly, and an 11 o'clock newscast as well, still analyzing data that's coming in.